Let's take a wing and go to Rainforest Cafe. Let's take another one. Rainforest Cafe, baby! Famous alligator. I landed in there nice. This alligator's been here for like over 25 years. Gotta get it from an angle in the back. Yeah! Alright, let's get some food. Should I get a character cup? Hi. Can I get a table for one, please?
Yeah, of course.
How's your day going?
Pretty good. How's
Nice.
yours?
Not bad. Perfect. Thanks. Thank you. Options. It all looks really good. Might get that island steak and shrimp. What is this? I'm gonna get this. Oh, it's the show.
What would you like?
Can I get the island steak and shrimp, please? Ho, ho, ho. I got the blue icy in here. Rainforest Cafe. Gotta pull it out. That's dope, bro. Fire. An adult drinking out of a sippy cup in front of all of these adults. Bro, I just had a video pop off and I'm so hype about it. You guys are dope. Awesome, thank you so much. This looks absolutely fire. Oh wow, that's so good. Great, thank you. Try out this shrimp. Oh yeah. Gas. Gotta hit it with that rice too. Brother, I am so geeked right now. The show is starting again. I forgot how awesome Rainforest Cafe is. I'm straight up drooling. Munchies have hit. Shrimp was gas. Good. Yeah, can I get the tribal cheesecake, please? Ooh, that was spicy. Thankfully, I have an icy. Glad I got this. I'm eating good today, boy. Cheesecake is a goated dessert. Oh, look at that bite. Oh my goodness. Straight smacking a cheesecake in a rainforest. Thank you so much for everything.
You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You as well.
Weekend, okay?
Thank you. That's crazy. They even sell Hello Kitty in Rainforest Cafe. I love Hello Kitty, but what you know about Rainforest Cafe?